Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix brightness keep adjusting while watching videos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on accessibility. And here you can see the option display and text size. Click on display and text size and now scroll down in last, and if you turn this button on, auto brightness button on, then turn it off. After turning off auto brightness button, go back to your main setting page and now click on display and brightness, and if you turn on true tone, then turn it on. After turning off true tone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then reset all your phone settings. Now simply click on general and then scroll down, and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and now click on reset, and on top you can see the option reset all settings. Click on reset all settings. Here enter your screen passcode to confirm reset all your settings, and it will be confirmed to reset all your settings. It will destroy all your phone settings but never destroy another data like photos, videos and other personal data. It can destroy only settings. So this is the way to fix brightness keep adjusting while watching videos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.